Welcome to Millennium Computer's fast online tutorials for purchasing card. You can add sources so that you can import transactions that are different than a purchasing card. For example, phone charges. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a new source, import transactions for that source, and then how to manage those imported transactions. You can open the source table from the administration menu. Currently, there is only one source, and so I am going to add a new one. It is a very easy process. Just click the Add New button, type the name of the new source, and in this case it is Shaw Cable. Go to the next field and add an original batch prefix of no more than 3 letters. When transactions for this source are batched, these letters are tagged onto the beginning of the batch number. Select the Report Commitments checkbox if you want the Finance Data Warehouse to pick up the current committed transactions for this source and then report them as commitments in Fast Finance Reporting. Select the Enabled checkbox to make the source available in Fast Purchasing Card. And when you save the new source, the setup is finished. There are a few things you should check before you start your import. The first, make sure the account number in the spreadsheet has been set up on the account administration page and that the source matches. Download the template so you have the correct format for importing transactions. I will show you where to find the template in a few minutes. Double check that there is only one type of source in the spreadsheet. Make sure that the worksheet name has no spaces or special characters, otherwise the spreadsheet will not import correctly. Every column must have an amount, even if it is 0, otherwise the import process will not work. And finally, save and close your spreadsheet before you start the import. And now I will open the wizard so I can import transactions from that new source I just set up. This is the location where you can download the import template, and this is an example of what it looks like. Click the calendar icon and select a cycle date that has not been used for this source. In step 1, you need to select the source and a cycle date. The check mark displays, meaning it is a valid cycle date, and now I can go to the next step. For step 2 of the wizard, you have to find the file on your computer. And then I can import the spreadsheet. Step 3 only opens if the Excel spreadsheet has more than one worksheet. Select the worksheet you want to import and then click Next. For step 4, one of 2 things will happen. If there are errors in the worksheet, a pop-up opens with details about what the errors are. You will have to fix them and then re-import the spreadsheet. Or the pop-up opens advising you the import is successful. And the transactions are now available for editing on the Edit Transactions page. Now that the spreadsheet has been imported, I can manage it. The Filter and Report options open, but I won't select any and just run the report. On the Manage Imports page, you can view the type of source, the billing date, and the amounts for the spreadsheets that you imported. When you click the X, the imported transactions from that spreadsheet are deleted, including any transactions that have not been converted to actuals. If pending posting is beside the imported spreadsheet, it has been loaded to the batching page but not yet posted to your ERP. Once it has been posted, it will no longer be in this list.